In this video, I will talk about لذلك, which is expressing reason. When we say لذلك, it's a combination between li, preposition, means for, and ذلك, demonstrative, means that. Both of them means for that reason. لذلك. Examples: أحب العربي، لذلك أدرس كل يوم. أحب العربي, I like Arabic. For that reason, لذلك أدرس كل يوم, I study every day. أحب البيتزا، أحب البيتزا، لذلك for that reason آكلها كل يوم, I eat it every day. أسكن بجانب الجامعة، لذلك ليس عندي سيارة. أسكن بجانب الجامعة, I live next to the جامعة, to the university. For that reason, ليس عندي سيارة, I don't have a car. لا أسكن بجانب الجامعة، لذلك أذهب بالقطار. I go by بالقطار, by train. لا أحب الخبز, I don't like bread. لذلك لا آكله, I don't eat it. Try to think of 3 examples and write them, please, 3 examples by yourself.